This report outlines the results of the financial audits of the Victorian public universities sector for the year ended 31st December 2019. We looked at the sector's internal control framework and we discussed significant audit matters faced by the sector. We also analysed the sector's financial outcomes and financial sustainability risks for the future. We found that the financial reports of universities for 2019 are reliable. Victoria has 8 public universities, which control 48 entities. They provide higher education services to over 300,000 students, 41% of whom were from overseas in 2019. The sector's largest source of income in 2019 came from government grants at 44% of total revenue, followed by student fees at 37% of total revenue. We issued clear audit opinions to 45 of the 56 audited entities, with the remaining 11 audits still in progress at the date of this report. We added emphasis of matter paragraphs to our audit opinion for 19 of these entities, alerting readers to the impacts of the COVID-19 pandemic as a subsequent material event. Although this emphasis of matter paragraph was included in the audit opinions, it does not constitute a qualification. A qualification would only occur where there is a material error in the financial statements. We found 25 errors during our audits, down from 62 errors in 2018. This demonstrates that the sector is improving its quality assurance procedures. We found 35 new internal control issues this year, 8 of which are high risk. These primarily relate to the approach taken to accounting for research grants and IT systems and controls. The sector generated a surplus of $987.3 million in 2019, a 128% increase from 2018. This was mainly driven by increased revenue from growing student numbers, particularly overseas students. Universities' total net assets were $19.4 billion, up 7.5% from 2018. Other than RMIT and La Trobe University, all universities had enough liquid assets to meet their short-term liabilities. However, RMIT and La Trobe University have implemented cost control measures. These strategies, along with confirmed federal and state funding, reduce the risk of both universities being unable to meet their short-term obligations. The sector remained financially sound in 2019, but there are increasing risks due to travel restrictions harming international student enrollments and changes to government funding for domestic students. 2 significant audit issues impacted universities in 2019. New revenue and income standards were applied inconsistently across the sector. This makes it hard to compare financial statements, which is the cornerstone principle of financial reporting. The COVID-19 pandemic occurred after the balance date and did not cause any adjustment in the amounts reported at the end of 2019. However, universities need to assess the impacts of the government's response to COVID-19 on their operations and their ability to operate as a going concern for the next 12 months. For more information, please see the full report on our website www.audit.vic.gov.au.